Ever wondered how to turn the world into your personal playground? What if we told you it's easier than you think? Welcome to the thrilling realm of solo travel, where your own itinerary is the only one to follow. Navigating this world can be a breeze with the right tips, so buckle up as we dive into the top 20 tips for solo travelers. Tip 1. Always have a plan, but stay adaptable. Having a clear direction and purpose is crucial, yet the allure of solo travel is in its adaptability. Embrace unplanned escapades. This might involve sampling a local delicacy you've never encountered before, or veering off your path to discover a secret scenic spot. Tip 2. Dig deep, research, and research some more. Knowledge is your shield, and when you're sailing solo, it's your prime safeguard against frauds and scams. This process involves intensive research about local traditions, key attractions, and even familiar phrases in the local dialect. Tip 3. Learn a few phrases in the local language. It's not just a sign of respect, but it can also bail you out in a tricky situation. Simple phrases like hello, thank you, please, and I need help can make a significant difference. Tip 4. Safeguard your belongings. Put your money on a high-standard lock for your bags and maintain constant vigilance over your treasures. This also refers to your passport, cash, and any other documents of importance. Tip 5. Blend in with the locals. Dodging the tourist appearance is a savvy way to sidestep unnecessary attention. This might entail adopting the local style of dress, dining at neighborhood eateries, and opting for the local means of transport. Tip 6. Save money by eating where the locals eat. It's not only cheaper, but also allows you to taste the authentic local cuisine. Moreover, it provides an opportunity to mingle with the locals, gain insights into their culture, and enrich your travel experience. Tip 7. Always maintain a digital and physical copy of your vital documents. This can serve as a rescue in events of loss or theft. It's especially crucial for important papers like your passport, visa, travel insurance, and other critical documents. Tip 8. Opt for public transportation. Not only is it more economical, but it also offers the opportunity to experience the city from a local's perspective. Additionally, it has a lower environmental impact compared to hailing a taxi or renting a car. Tip 9. Opt for hostels or guest houses. Not only are they more pocket-friendly, but they also provide a fantastic opportunity to interact with other explorers. Further, these often feature shared kitchens, enabling you to prepare your own meals and further economize your travel budget. Tip 10. Capitalize on complimentary city tours. Not only is it an excellent opportunity to explore the city and delve into its past without pinching your pocket, but it also paves the way for you to interact with fellow tourists and potentially form new friendships. Tip 11. Utilize travel applications. These digital tools aid in navigation, language translation, as well as locating the top local attractions. Some renowned travel apps include Google Maps for seamless navigation, Duolingo for efficient language translation, and TripAdvisor for unearthing the best local spots. Tip 12. Pour your savings into a quality travel insurance. It's always wiser to be on the safe side than to regret later. Travel insurance is your safety net that can catch everything from unforeseen medical charges to abrupt trip cancellation, acting as your financial savior in the long haul. Tip 13. Always have a basic first aid kit at your disposal. It's unpredictable when it may become pivotal. This kit could comprise band-aids, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and any indispensable prescription medications. Tip 14. Maintain your connections. Continually let your loved ones know your location. You can use various platforms such as social media, email, or even a straightforward text message. It's also advantageous to possess a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device. Tip 15. Respect local customs and traditions. This doesn't merely mean being courteous, but also constitutes a significant part of the travel experience. This respect could be expressed through dressing in a manner that aligns with local norms, adhering to regional etiquette, and demonstrating reverence for local customs and traditions. Tip 16. Always have a reusable water bottle with you. It's not only environmentally friendly, but also a money-saving option. Additionally, it acts as a superb tool to maintain hydration as you move around. Tip 17. Embrace minimalist packing. Keep in mind, it's you who will be lugging that baggage around. This could entail opting for multi-purpose clothing pieces, filling your bag with travel-friendly toiletries and curbing the amount of footwear you pack. Tip 18. Utilize a money belt or a covert pouch for your cash and cards. It's not just a safer and more convenient option, but it also serves as an effective precautionary measure to avoid misplacing your money or becoming a victim of theft. Tip 19. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it likely isn't. This could encompass dodging a suspicious neighborhood, declining a ride from an unfamiliar person, or refraining from dining at a restaurant that doesn't appear hygienic. And lastly, tip number 20. Savor every instant. Solo journeying revolves around liberty, thrill, and self-unveiling. Exploit it to the fullest. This may involve experimenting with new experiences, interacting with unknown individuals, and breaking free from your comfort zone. To summarize, solo travel can be an empowering and enriching experience with the right preparation and mindset. With these tips, you'll be well prepared for your next solo adventure. Until we meet again, safe travels.